how and why the keto diet works. As I promised in my previous video, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. I'm back to explain how and why the keto diet works. In order to better understand how a keto diet works, let's take a look at your digestive system and how it responds to fewer carbs. When you eat carbs, found in anything from the fruit and vegetable families, and that includes products made from grains like pastas, breads, and crackers, your digestive system breaks them down into glucose. Glucose is used to provide energy for the body, and the digestive system isn't particularly picky about where the glucose comes from. It'll digest a healthy salad in the same way as it would a candy bar. So it's up to you to decide what to feed it. This glucose is stored in a couple of ways in your body, as glycogen in the liver and muscle tissue, and as adipose or fat. When your body can't get sufficient carbs to turn into glucose, it will start to burn fat instead. This metabolic state is called ketosis because one of the byproducts of this fat burning is the production of ketones, which can also be used for energy. If you want to be super scientific, you can get breath and urine tests that will show the presence of these ketones and prove that you are doing the diet correctly. Most people just follow along and trust that it's working. You can also tell your body is producing ketones by the following side effects of the process: increased thirst or dry mouth, increased urination, and a decreased appetite. The most effective way to get your body into ketosis is to follow a ketogenic keto diet, where you severely limit your carb intake. Remember that 5%? That's around 20 to 50 grams a day. The rest of the time, you will fill up on fats and proteins like meat, fish, eggs, nuts, and healthy oils like coconut or avocado. It's just as important to limit your protein intake though, because if you eat too much protein, your body will sneakily start turning some of it into glucose, which it likes better than fat. You can also enter ketosis by intermittent fasting, such as limiting your meals to an 8-hour period during the day and fasting the remaining 16 hours. In my next video, I will give you the top benefits of being on the keto diet. You do not want to miss it, so be sure to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell to be sure that you don't miss out on the next video. Also, please like this video. I want to thank you for watching and supporting this channel. Remember to inform yourself before starting any new diet. Bye.